The whole way walk here, she was like, I can't wait to get to the tent to take my shoes off.
I mean,
Don't get used to it.
Rabbit jump.
Matt, is this your first year at Dragon Boat?
It is.
Oh, finally old enough.
Well, I could have gone last year, but
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, why didn't you?
school.
CrossFit really is school. It's life school. What you got there? Excuse me, sir. Does that fit your macros?
It does.
Good morning, Megan.
good morning.
Good morning, Ozzy. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good.
Sir?
You want some Chick-fil-A?
I'm alright, I'm fasting.
Tracking your macros like Matt over here,
fasting.
bringing his own eggs.
I would have somebody go over there and observe
While they're
at the end.
boat, dodgeball, rock, paper, scissors, block building.
So 4 events total, and then boat driving.
And that's it.
And then the trophy.
Say good morning, Jenny.
Good morning, Judy.
Hi, Connor.
For your team, feel free to come out to YMCA Camp Cullen.
There's a drummer at the front. There's going to be a flag catcher on the front. There's 9 rows of 2 all the way through. When we get there, you're going to be sitting next to somebody. So if you stay with that top end and keep that rhythm, we'll stay together and we're going to row fast. All right? Just like the workout yesterday. All right? It's not all 100% on the first one because then you have nothing for the second one. Everybody got it?
This is what we train for.
Yeah.
Best rowers in, let's go. Megan, you want a flag?
Absolutely not.
Why?
I'm good. I'm holding stuff.
Megan.
Hold your stuff.
Let's go!
Let's go, Overtake. One, two, 1, 2.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
There we
I don't
go.
ever slow up,
Alright, we're
no, I
good.
don't
Any idea our time on that? I didn't think we were that slow.
I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting
110. That's it, we're done. Yeah. Now we got dodgeball.
I play dodgeball.
You want to play dodgeball?
I'll go.
You can only go in there, grab the ball, and get out. Headshots, not allowed. Catch the ball, ball's down, you catch it, throwers out, teammates back in. If you defer.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
get him right here.
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Good job, guys.
Lock it.
Well done, well done. Good job, y'all, good job.
But tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last. But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time?
Amber, keep those 2 in front to dodge. Go, go! Oh! Atta girl. Get him!
Come on, Amber!
Let's go, Cortez. There you go, 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 there you go. Stop. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! Go, go, go!
have blankets. And also our fastest dragon boat. CrossFit Overtake, congratulations.